This is a standard Horizon MKU-54 mobile knife unit. It's a very versatile piece of equipment. You can use it with almost anything. Actually, pretty much you can use it with anything. This particular model, we have two of these in stock, by the way, at the current moment. A 2009 and a 2011 model. This particular model, I believe this is the one they were using offline, but you can use them offline or inline. I shouldn't say inline, offline or online with the piece where it actually will integrate. If it's a piece of Horizon equipment, for instance a stitch liner or a Horizon folder or Horizon booklet maker, there's a cable that'll hook up to integrate this to match the speed. But you can run it with any other piece of equipment. You just have to adjust the speed to match whatever you're running on the folder, booklet maker, saddle stitcher, whatever you have to be running it with. So as long as your speed just exceeds the speed you're folding the paper out or making books at. Very easy to use. This here is your adjustable height, so the machine will adjust to whatever height you need it to, depending on what you're feeding it with. This whole center here, also you'll see their bearings here. This whole unit will flip in the center 180 degrees, depending on whether you want to fold up or down your booklet or paper. It's very easy to move. You just pop 2 feet here by pressing these off buttons down here, and then there's a foot over here that releases, and you can roll it right away. You can quickly and easily disconnect this conveyor here. The conveyor over here that comes with it is a standard Horizon conveyor. It has adjustable speed down here. A really nice wheel pressing unit here. We also have available an NBO ASP66 pressure delivery, which they were using with one of these, which gives you a little crisper knife fold. We're going to go ahead and run this. Now I'm just going to be hand feeding it, so obviously it's nowhere near its capacity. I think we're currently going to be running it at I'm running it at like 60 meters per minute, and it goes up to 240. But I'm hand feeding it, so I'm just going to go slow because I can't get the registration perfect with a hand feed. So here we go. I apologize if any of them catch. Again, I'm hand feeding it. It's hard to keep them perfectly square. We're feeding about a 16-page book here, I think, 24-page book. Something we saddle stitched on a stitch liner. Got some inside of the other ones here. We did some different sized booklets here. You see a nice cross fold. Just put this on real quick temporarily. Tighten that down. But anyways, yeah, great working unit. Very little usage on it. Will work with any machine, just to whatever height you need. Saddle stitchers, folders, booklet makers, etc. Do a cross fold for mailing or whatever purpose you need.